Hello. Close your eyes and take a deep breath through your nostrils, hold for a few seconds, then exhale through your mouth slowly, allowing the exhale to exceed the inhale. Take a couple more deep breaths until relaxed. Now, how much would you like to win in the lottery? Decide, without any doubt, what you will do with your lottery money. Try to visualize a lottery check with the amount from earlier written on the check. Now try to visualize yourself and any others posing for a picture while holding that same check. Now visualize yourself doing whatever it is you decided to do with the lottery money. Now visualize yourself going online to check your ticket. When you check the numbers from the draw, all of the numbers from one ticket match the drawn numbers perfectly. You have won a jackpot prize. Visualize yourself holding the ticket, while looking upwards, giving thanks for winning the lottery. Visualize yourself with family and friends celebrating your lottery win. Visualize your notifications about deposits into your bank account and the funds being available.